Assalamu alaikum my dear students, how are you? I hope that you are fine. Dear students, my name is Shahid Bhatti and you are watching Shahid Bhatti YouTube channel. Before starting the video, I would like to request you to subscribe my channel and share this video to your near and dear ones. My dear students, in this video I am going to tell you that when will Punjab University upload roll number slips of MA, M.Sc, Part 1, Part 2, Associate Degree All Science Commerce, Part 1, Part 2, Second Annual 2023 exams. As per my knowledge, the university will upload these roll number slips on the official website on 15 Feb 2024. The students who are going to appear in these exams, they will able to download their roll number slips on 15 Feb 2024. The regular students can collect their roll number slip from their relevant colleges, and the private students will able to download these roll number slips from the official website of Punjab University. The university never sends these roll number slips on the given address of the student. So the private student will download these roll number slip from the university website, and the regular student will receive these roll number slips from the principal of the relevant colleges. If you have any problem, do comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching.